Well, they are do two different things. There is the scapular, which is a cloth, a vestment. It is a short abbreviation of the monastic habit of the Carmelite, which by tradition Our Lady indicated to Carmelites how to wear, and um, declared it as her in some way vestment, this Carmelite habit, and which is then reduced to a small symbolic size as a scapular from a cloth. So, and the other is the miraculous medal, which Our Lady also gave and promised graces in both cases. So you have to decide, or you wear the scapular, or you can wear both.